Hi everyone, in this video I'll explain how to construct a binary tree when an algebraic expression is given. So this is an example of an expression like 5 plus 4 multiplied with 6 minus 7, and that entire thing is divided by 5 plus 8. And we all know in a mathematics we have a Bodmer's rule, we have to brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So that will give you the priority, means which part of an expression is going to be evaluated first. So because of that rule, so now you can take this expression, right? So now you can observe that this is one part of your expression, and after division this is the second part of your, right? So this is your second part, and this entire thing it will be a first part of your expression. In that we have an outer and inner brackets is there, right? So we all know the inner expression is evaluated first. This is 6 minus 7. So now you have to construct a tree for this. So here minus, it will be taken as a root, and then you can take 6 as a left child and 7 as a right child. So now this part of expression will be taken like this, 6 minus 7. And then here we have the remaining expression as 5 plus 4 multiplied. In plus and multiplication, multiplication is having the highest priority than plus. So now you can multiply, right? So you can do the next operation is multiplication. So now for what you have to multiply, then you can multiply with 4, right? So now, and after that you can add with 5, right? So simply you can take, so this is your addition, and then you can add with 5. So this is a part of your expression, right? So what it will say, first of all you have to subtract 6 minus 7, then multiply with 4, then you can add with 5. So now I'll try to construct the second part individually, and after that I'll merge these two expressions. So what is the second part will say? This is 5 plus 8. So simply you can take plus, this is of your 5 and this is 8. So now this is one subtree, right? This is one subtree and this is another subtree. Now you have to merge these two subtrees by using the operator division, right? So simply I can draw like this. So here I have a division operation. So in this right side I have this expression, means this subtree, plus 5 and then 8. On left subtree I need to construct this entire part, right? Simply I'll match this one. So like plus, and then I have 5, and then here I have on right side multiplication operator. Simply I can match the things, right? I cannot do more than that. Simply I can take this part and I'll try to add on my left side. So now it is 4, and then here I have subtraction, and here I need to subtract 6 and 7. So this is your answer actually. So how this expression is evaluated? So now 6 minus 7 is happened, and after the subtraction the content it will be multiplied with 4, and then that will be added to 5, right? So before it doing division operation, what it will do, it can add 5 plus 5 and 8, and the content here it is available. Now it can divide these two terms. So in this way we can construct a binary tree when an expression is given in data structures. I hope you all can understand. Thank you.